thing is also when you're in the beach, you have to show everybody your beach body. Apparently, my beach body is only up to here, so I'm just gonna show you this part of me and just smile. I'm not gonna go lower because it's not yet done down there. So yeah, this is my beach body. It's squeaky. Shut up, shut up. Shut up, shut up. So whenever you're in the beach, you prepare for your body and you try to make it so yummy beach body with all the muscles and everything. So yeah, every time I try to vlog, take a photo, I took care from this part here up. So the lower part I haven't it's not yet done, it's not yet ready. So yeah, check out my beach body from up to here only. Disregard the low part. Yeah? It's good? It's good.
Aren't you cold though?
I'm not cold because I work out for this. I'm going to show everybody my beach body from here up. And yeah, it's kind of cold though, but the sun's making me warm. Yeah. Beach body. Okay, so peaceful here. Well, they're cleaning up those things, so it's peaceful on the other side. Yeah.
Camera, shoot.
So nice, feels so nice, so soft and smooth.
You can scrub yourself with that.
It's really, really, really fun.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, the food. A little bit cold. Always have to be food.
Back in the boat right now. Getting right there. It's warmer. Lunch!
Lunch.
Lunch!
Yeah.
I hate lunch. Okay, I'm gonna eat now.
It's the worst one of the day.
So currently in Whitehaven Beach, north side, and yeah, looking at this spot there. I think it's best to be up here to see it, not down there. But yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm running out of batteries now, so yeah. Running out of batteries now.
Yeah.
So we'll just enjoy the view.
Yeah.
So I would tick off the list.
Oh, no, where were we?
It's not much you have a list.
Yeah, there's no list at all. But yeah,
Maybe added to the list.
added to the list. Yeah. So it's really nice. Like what he said, stingrays and whatever go there to eat the species. That's really brutal. No, that's so nice. So nice. So come over. Worth it. Feels like we're turning it out in circles, but we're really heading to the beach. This one, the tracks goes quite confusing because it goes around. Like we're up there and we go down. So yeah. Okay, here comes the people. I want to live here. It's so nice. After a few minutes, I want to die. That's what she did in Wilson's prom in December. But that was summer.
I said I'm dying.
Okay, she said I'm dying. I stand corrected. so good. Sand so fine. The stingrays over there is saying when the tide goes low or high. When it's high or low.
Grabe sila po nag-swimmer na po, bathers na. So smooth.
Oh my god, to the end. Thank you guys. Au revoir, au revoir.
Let's go. Oh, what's that?